In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload an assignment to OTUS and every student can have a copy of it, and they don't have to actually make a copy, and you don't have to make a copy, and this will save literally hours. So in my class, what I've done for the past 10 years is I create a slideshow, and I call it a project planner, and I share it with my students, and then each one of my students needs to file, make a copy. Then they need to rename it with their name, and then they need to share it with me. So that section takes a lot of time. Then the other issue is once they share it with me, I have 180 emails of so-and-so has shared their project planner with you. And then I have to go through them and organize them. It's a huge job, and typically it takes me like 1 or 2 days just to get the organizational piece of that together. Additionally, students, even though you tell them they don't name it the right name, and then you don't know who it's from or what period they're in, and it's a big mess. So OTUS makes this so simple. Here's what you're going to do. So my example is going to be with a slideshow, but you could do this with a Word document, you could do it with anything. So what I'm going to do, so in OTUS, I'm going to click on Assessments, and I'm going to click Create Assignment. I'm going to give my assignment a name, so it could be a name of your Word doc, a name of your slideshow. Mine's going to be called Project Planner. It's an assignment, and I'm going to choose points. Okay, I hit rubric, I hit next. Now, I need to make a rubric, and I'm going to make this so super simple, like as simple as it can be. So I'm going to call this Project Planner, and I'm going to write fill out every day or fill out every week. And then for each of those 4 boxes, I'm going to add a point value. So 0, 1, or 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also hit those 3 little dots and add another box if you wanted 5 or 6, whatever. And then, 1, I'm going to, again, really simple. I'm going to do 1 needs improvement, 2 is satisfactory, 3 is good, 4 is excellent. Done. Done with that. So now I'm going to scroll down under Attachments and select Choose File. It will allow me to choose any kind of file, an image, a link, a YouTube video, whatever you want. I'm going to select the link, and I'm going to link the project planner. You can link your Word document, you can link anything you want. I'm just going to go to that planner, and I'm going to hit share. Make sure it's available to everyone for viewing. Copy the link, hit copy, done. I go back, and I'm going to Command V, paste, and I'm going to type in the name of this project. This is the link to Project Planner. And I'm going to hit save. Okay, now it's time to assign it to the class or classes you want. So under select a class, I'm going to select all the classes that I want to use. You can do 1 or all, whatever you like, whatever you check. I'm going to, under instructions, write some instructions. And, okay, so now if I click under assessments to the assigned assessments, the ones you just assigned, you will see that all of the students are in there. They all have access. They're all going to get a note. Here's your project planner. It's already named for them. The permissions are already given to them. There's no copying, no sharing. It's kind of like you hand it to them and it's automatic. And what makes this even more spectacular is once you put it into OTUS, it populates into your Google Drive. So in my Google Drive, you can see every student has a copy of that planner. So every planner with the student's name is already on there. OTUS did it for you. They're already shared with you. OTUS did it for you, and every student has access to it. It's really, it saves hours and hours and hours of work.